Hello and welcome back. We will now be designing a photo collage, so let's get straight into it. So, of course you want to go to canva.com, yes, and that is where we'll begin the design process. And where it says create a design at the top, you just want to go all the way over to the right and click more. Once this new page is loaded, you want to scroll down until you can find photo collage. And this is what we'll be designing. So as you can see, blogging and ebooks just here, photo collage, click that and let the new page load. On the right just here is the canvas. This is where we'll be designing. As you can see, we've currently got a blank canvas, and on the left over here are the layouts. So this is what the photo collage could look like. So let's get straight into it. First things first, of course, you need to pick a layout. So yeah, let's just scroll through right now and see which is the best. So like this one just here, it looks very nice. There is grapes, wine, more grapes, and then some cheese as well. So that is awesome. So it is cheers and cheese. That's very funny. I like that a lot, actually. That's quite cool. But I think I'm going to look for a more modern style. So yeah, let's look for a modern style right now and see what we can find. This one here looks quite modern, actually. I like this. I've got an idea. So hey, we are black brick, and then down here, training. Hey, we are black brick training. Fantastic. And then of course we can change these images to something a bit more suitable. We could actually have an employee in each image and say, hey, we are black brick training. That is a cool idea, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to look for a random image. So let's just go for a MacBook. Something to start it off. A nice image of a MacBook is always good. So let's see which one we can pick. Very nice. And if you have a look, you can see that each of these photos does have a filter on. They have the Kali filter. So it makes it so that each of these photos have the exact same theme and they look the same. Okay, so that is a very important factor with a photo collage. Because if you have one photo which is bright red, another which is bright pink, and another which is just black, it doesn't really suit the theme you're going for. You do really need to use the same filter over all 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 photos in your collage, as that makes them look a bit more grouped together and it makes them look a lot better and also more professional, I must say. So yeah, make sure you are using the same filter on each photo for a photo collage. You don't have to, but it does just look better in my opinion. So yeah, let's just look for some good images. So we could have a cup of coffee, so like you're having a cup of coffee in the morning. So let's see, this one looks good, so let's pop that in there. And we can have a workstation. Actually, I think the one I've got for workstation is probably the best one on here. And then we can have one more, which can be the Black Brick Training logo. So if we go to uploads and then scroll down, we have already uploaded it in the past. Just slide it in, there we go. So as you can see, we have got the setup, we have got the photo of coffee, and then we've got Black Brick's logo, which looks very nice. So yes, there we go. We have, hey, we are Black Brick Training. So we have the logo, the workstation, and then of course the coffee. So it's like you get up in the morning, you work as the brand, and you work on this setup, and in the morning you have a nice cup of coffee. So yeah, that's quite a nice design, very nice. And if we just rename it by clicking over here at the top and just type photo collage design, hit enter, and as you can see, it's automatically going to save just here. Fantastic, saving, there we go. And all changes saved will just happen in a second. There we go. So yeah, so now we're going to design one more photo collage, and that will be it for this lecture. So let's just have a quick look through these layouts once again to see what we can find. And this one just here looks very nice, so let's click that. If it loads, there we go, fantastic. So let's just type this in here. Black Brick and the Ultimate Online Courses. Okay, it looks like that won't all fit, so we're going to type in the web address. That also doesn't fit, but we're just going to make it a bit smaller so that it does. Yep, 10, let's say about 12. Not quite, that's annoying. Looks like it's going to have to be 10. No problem. So then we have this little icon up here of a moustache. We don't really want that, so let's just go to Elements and Icons. Fantastic, and then get the light bulb and swap its place with the moustache. So delete that, get the light bulb, and it is going to be a black, I would say. Black would look good on this. Nice, okay, so that looks great. And then it's also changed this color to, that looks nice actually. Let's just leave it like that. We can have it as a nice browny color or black or green or anything really, but yeah, I think the brown looks quite nice, so that's good. So all we need to do now is change up these images and have a look which filter is being used. So if we have a look, we can see that they are using the grayscale filter. Okay, so the images are being grayed out. So if we just go to Elements and then 3 photos at the top, we can just use a few of these photos here and fill in the images on here. Okay, so let's grab this one here, slide it in. Fantastic. So this has a retro style to it, as you can see. This one here, slide it in. There we go. And I don't really think that one works too well, so let's just look for another one for that one actually. This one here, fantastic. There we go. And then we'll leave the MacBook up there. So yeah, that is another fantastic design. If you click this arrow just here, it will send it to the top. So this is now page 1 and this is now page 2. So we have successfully made 2 fantastic photo collage designs in under 10 minutes. And I'm very happy with them both. They are both very nice. And of course you can do the same. So remember, keep the same filter on every photo. And for this collage, it is the grayscale filter. Keep the same theme for the text and the photos as well, so the filter must carry over to be the same sort of theme for the text. So make sure the font and the colouring looks good and suits the photos very well. And just in general, make sure that you use the right images, of course, because if you use bad images, it makes the collage look bad. Okay, so say for example this logo here, it doesn't really suit it, so that's why we've redone it. So this one here, the second one, looks a lot better because they are all actual photos taken with a camera and not designed on a computer. Okay, so yeah, that's that. That is our 2 photo collage designs. I hope you enjoyed it, I hope you learned a lot, and I hope you had a great time. So yeah, that's everything. So once again, I hope you had a great time, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.